Hey guys, what's up? Out here today working on the propane. For those of you that watch the channel, you know that about a year and a half ago, a squirrel ate through our main line. So we started the process of taking everything out and going electric with it. So we took out the oven, took out the cooktop, and put in a induction cooktop. But we did realize that the electric hot water heater is just not strong enough. We do like to camp into like November and December, so it gets a little cold. A little hot water heater can't keep up. So we decided to run a propane line to the back to where the hot water heater is. And while we're at it, we're going to throw a manifold on there with a quick connect so that we can hook up our Blackstone as well. I get tired of lugging the propane tank back to the Blackstone, so we're going to do that. So we got this braided line here, and we're going to run it all the way down to the back over here. And somewhere in this area, I'll go ahead and install that manifold, and then we'll bring up the propane to here. So hopefully it goes pretty well. All right, so I've got everything hooked up. We got the propane line now coming off this new switch. I don't think our old one works, so we went ahead and replaced that. And it runs along here, goes through the hole in the frame, and I'll see if I can get a good shot of it here underneath. It basically runs the line all the way to the back. We've got this new manifold here. Got a quick connect there for the Blackstone. Comes off the back and goes up into the bottom for our hot water heater. So I've got the gas on right now. I don't smell anything. That's a good sign. And hopefully this weekend we'll have some nice hot water. We haven't had decent hot water for a while, so hopefully that works out. But yeah, we'll let you know.
We have fire. We have hot water. It's November. I'm very happy. This worked perfectly.